thing on? I think it's on. Okay. OMG, you guys. Hey, it's me, Twinkie Hacking. Yes, and I'm really ticked off right now. Rawr, rawr, rawr. I'm licking the camera. I can eat you all. Give me kisses. That's her nose. Yes, yes, yes. I'm mad at my mother. She keeps bothering me. I want to take a nap. I just got to stitches, and it's really hard being a daughter. She's like I don't know, but I'm gonna leave. Just watch. She'll be really tucked off. Just watch. Okay. No, my face. No! Roar! I'm leaving the room. You bother me. No!
Only on the outside. November 18th.
Come on! It's fine now.
Elizabeth Gillies from Victorious guest stars on a brand new Big Time Rush. And James reveals a...
There she is.
Remember that girl, Heather Fox, had a crush on Kim? She gave me a note saying that she liked you, but I threw it away and never told you. It was the love of my life! Now she's got a Big Time challenge. According to the best friend code, wrong friend, get the I want to wear the best friend code. Elizabeth Gillies on a brand new Big Time Rush. Saturday night, only on Nick. Now here's more SpongeBob SquarePants. On Nick.
I'm definitely sad right now. I'll ask sometime later. I'm leaving.